Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a look at what has to be one of the best watches you can buy at this price point, and one of my personal favorites. I already said that for another Militado, the ML05 Field watch, and that one was around $50, for which it offered incredible specs for a daily beater. It had one general flaw and one that is down to me personally, that I said I really can't complain about given the price. First was a pretty weak lume, and the rather long lug-to-lug relative to the watch diameter, that was almost 48mm even though the watch was 38. Well, for just $10 to $15 more, this model solves both of those issues. This does come with a really good lume, especially considering how thin the numerals are, and most importantly for me, it is shaped differently, dropping the lug-to-lug down to under 45mm, which means it wears much better on my small wrist. Those two alone would be worth the price increase for me personally, but the differences don't stop there, and make this a much more sophisticated watch compared to a rather Spartan and basic ML05. Being pretty much a copy of the Hamilton Murph, which I find to be one of the prettiest field watches ever made, this one is stunning in person as well. The crystal, although sapphire just like on the ML05, is not basic and flat, but has a small curvature to it, giving it character. While at the same time being double domed and treated with AR coating, it does not distort the dial nor does it affect legibility. Quite incredible for a $65 watch. Then the case. While the ML05 had a sandblasted finish, this one comes with brushed finish all over the case and a mirror polished bezel for some additional bling. All the brushing and polishing is really good, again incredible for the price. To give it that mechanical looking sweep of the seconds hand, it is powered by a Seiko VH31 movement, giving you the look of a mechanical watch but convenience of an accurate grab-and-go quartz. Like that wasn't enough, the watch comes with a screw-in crown and 100 meters of water resistance, so it truly is a go-anywhere, do-anything type of a watch. The printing on the dial is crisp and really well made, and there is a minimum of foreign materials that you really notice only under a macro lens. Even the coarse finish of the hands is only visible under macro, while they appear perfect with your naked eyes. Making them metallic has created that pop effect I noticed on the Boltony Explorer that makes the hands really stand out against the matte black dial. The NATO strap is so well matched color-wise that it made me, a person that never misses the opportunity to say how much I hate them, to keep it on and give it a chance. Ever since the original Murph came out, I was in love with that watch, but at 42mm it was too big for my wrist. Then they launched the 38mm version, and that one solved not only all the problems of the larger Murph, but also the long lugs problem of all the khaki models before it, that I always wanted, but they looked weird on my small wrist because of those lugs. This will stay on my wrist for a while, just so I can see if the Murph love wears out. If not, I think I'll be getting myself one of those. As for this, if you like the looks, and especially if you have a smaller wrist, at $65 this is a no-brainer. ML05 does offer 99% of what this has to offer for even less money. But the better lume, shape, the little details, and sheer beauty of this more than justify the price difference, at least to me. At the same time, just like the ML05, you can wear this worry-free, as damaging or losing it is not a big deal, since you can just get another one for half the price I pay for some of my straps. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.